The Air Jordan 1 low continues to prove why it's one of the most iconic sneaker designs of all time. Now celebrating 40 years, this legendary silhouette keeps showing up in fresh yet familiar colorways that honor its roots. The latest white and Chile Red edition delivers a clean, two-tone look inspired by the classic Chicago Bulls home uniforms. Rich Chile Red accents take over the outsole, forefoot overlays, heel panels, and inner lining, giving the sneaker a bold pop that instantly stands out. The rest of the upper stays crisp and white, allowing the red details to shine without overcomplicating the design. The color blocking even nods to classic Nike Dunk styling, adding to its retro appeal. Simple, timeless, and easy to style, this Jordan 1 Low is built for both everyday wear and longtime collectors. Official images are already out, and pairs are expected to release via Nike and Jordan brand retailers by April 2026.